Dear students, we will be doing this situation reaction test for service entry. Now, soldiers who want to be an officer are welcome by this SSB board, but they have to go through the complete process of SRTs, VAT, and TAT. Now, in SRTs, the type of situations given to them is in retrospective to the kind of situation they faced before in the unit. ये सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट मुख्यतः सर्विस एंट्री के लिए है, जो सिपाही लोग ऑफिसर बनना चाहते हैं उन लोगों के लिए। और इसमें एक चीज बड़े ध्यान से देखी जाती है कि आपने ये जो अनुभव आर्मी का लिया है, इसके हिसाब से आपने कितनी मैच्योरिटी, कितनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कर ली है। इसीलिए इनकी जो सिचुएशन जो इनको दी जाती है थोड़ी आम सिचुएशन से थोड़ी अलग होती है। सोच तो उसी मनोवैज्ञानिक प्रभाव की होती है, they are going to identify the same psychological impact, but they give you different situation, वो थोड़ी अलग देती। So I hope you all people will enjoy this situation, enjoy this session, sorry। 20 SRTs हम लोग करते हैं। I hope you learn something. Let's go ahead। He was performing duties of mess NCO and there is complaint against him by other unit soldiers. The inquiring staff demands 2 bottles of liquid to solve inquiry. He will. Now here it's a case of checking whether you were right in your duty or not right in your duty. आप अपनी ड्यूटी ईमानदारी से कर रहे थे कि नहीं कर रहे थे। कंप्लेंट्स तो आती रहती, किसी की भी कभी भी आ जाती, पर अगर आप ड्यूटी कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस होता है इंक्वायरी में कुछ नहीं निकलेगा। You are confident that inquiry will not be against you. So you don't fall for all these kind of bribes system, a semi-system of giving 2 liquor bottles and others. Human nature is a very funny nature. ये क्या करता है कि जब भी इसको कोई पद मिलता है तो इसका दुरुपयोग करना शुरू करता है। They start using it wrongly. But for the confident person, he never fears. He just goes ahead and does it very nicely. So you have to understand, he was performing duties of mess NCO. If he is pure, he will certainly not fall, and don't give him. He will say, okay, you can have it as a present later on, but not for the sake of inquiry, because I have not done anything wrong. Similarly, you can give the answer in your own terms. मैं हमेशा चाहता हूँ आप अपनी भाषा का सदुपयोग करें ताकि भाव आप समझ सकते, पर शब्द आपके अपने होने चाहिए, so that you don't copy. Now somebody is going very soon, somebody is going for an SU entry, somebody is going for an NTR entry. अब आप लोग के सब गलत सलत एक ही प्रकार के उत्तर होंगे तो होगा क्या कि आप एक ही जैसे उत्तर अगर देते हैं तो जो आपका विश्लेषण कर रहा है, the person who is doing a psychological analysis will identify that you are not having these feelings. You have learned the answer. Have feelings, don't learn the answer. Write in your own words. That is advisable. So here you can write that he will certainly tell that he has not done anything wrong. They may do whatever they have to, prove his record, give the evidences, and after everything is done, as a friend on a birthday, he can always do, but not for the sake of inquiry. Is it understood? No? It is understood. So this is a case of bribery. Will you fall for it? If you are confident, you will not. तो आप ये परिस्थिति को समझ गए। अब अपनी भाषा में सूक्ष्म शब्दों में minimum words, 1.5 line or so, write down your response which you can, and you must understand the attitude. He didn't do well in written test of ACC NTR commission. His friends advised him not to try for commission in future. अब मान लीजिए आपने पेपर अच्छा नहीं दिया है और दूसरे लोग आपको डिस्करेज कर रहे हैं. If people are discouraging you, if you have not done well and you're getting, should you get discouraged? No. You should always be full of determination. If you are a quitter, you are not fit for the armed forces. There is always a sentence which we pick. क्या आप में है वो बात? Do you have it in you? We always ask you that. Why? Basically because a person who is a quitter is never a winner, and winner is never a quitter. There is an old saying, winner never quits and quitter never wins. That is the same thing. Here, his friends are advising him, never mind. He will take it as a challenge and do better and next time clear the exam. ये आपको दिखाना है, ये जज्बा दिखाना है। दूसरों के कहने से अगर आप हतोत्साहित हो जाएंगे तो दुनिया में तो बहुत सारे प्रतिस्पर्धी, many competitors will always discourage you. They will say you are not good, you know this, you know that. You got to be healthy. Yes, good friends will not. But even if normal friends are there, they may advise. But a very good friend will never say so. He will never give up hope. And hope is life. आशा ही जीवन है. पढ़ते तो हैं हम लोग, ट्रकों के पीछे लिखा रहता है आशा जीवन है. क्यों लिखा रहता है? क्योंकि सच बात है. Tomorrow is there. That is why we are living today nicely. So remember that. आप हारेंगे नहीं, मन को हराएंगे नहीं, दूसरे के कहनों में नहीं आएंगे और जज्बे से ट्राई करते रहेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? होश एंड जोश. राइट, गुड. लेट्स गो टू दिस थर्ड सिचुएशन. He wants to prepare for military promotion cadre exam, but his other friends want him to join an outing to civil area. He will. अब यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी बात है. You want to prepare, you want to study, and they are saying, come out, let's go for an outing. See, if you are a confident person, you can manage both. You can go for a short outing and come back early and prepare. Or if you have it, you can convince them that I have to do some studies. Let me complete it and then I'll go next time with you. You can say that. Either of the answers can be possible. Rather, both of the answers can be possible, where you can write, I'll convince them and tell them that I have to complete. And if it happens the next day, next time I'll join them, come back early and study. Both can be there. So you have to think of the answer, what you have to do. Now let me ask you one thing very important. आप लोग सब लोग से एक बात जरूरी पूछनी है कि जब आप कभी किसी को कन्विंस करते हैं, whenever you convince a person, so you use good examples, you use natural examples, you have emotions, you have sincerity, हाँ या नहीं, तभी तो कोई आपकी बात मानेगा. So once you are done convincing, then why are you fearing that he will not be convinced? So if you want to say that he will convince, tell them that it is important that he studies a little, he is lacking far behind, and thereafter he will go next time. Right? You can say this. But in case you are a regular student, you can also do this, that I'll go for an outing for a short time and come back soon and study. Whatever. As I've told you, many times I want to tell you something. Many times your friends like to disturb you while you're studying. So you should have the heart to say no. You should have the courage to say no. Because if you become a very lousy character, or should I say too flexible character, कभी कभी बहुत लचीले लोगों को एक प्रकार से उनकी परिस्थिति बहुत बुरी हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो तो लचीले हैं, वो सबको खुश कर रहे हैं, पर दूसरे लोग उसका शोषण कर रहे हैं. So you should know how to say no. Is it clear? So you can do that here also. मैं आपको विविध रूप से विस्तार से इसलिए समझा रहा हूँ ताकि अपने मन को आप टोएं और सही उत्तर लिखें. Never mind, I hope you will understand that. Next, while coming back after duty from an outpost in thick forest area, he lost his path and is just a little emergency ration and is having a rifle with little ammunition. The area is insurgency affected evil. अब यहाँ पे एक बड़ी अजीब बात ये है, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि एरिया जो है वो इंसर्जेंसी से अफेक्टेड है और आप रास्ता भूल गए. तो आप क्या हुआ, राशन भी आपके पास कम है, तो आपको पहुंचना भी है. तो अब आप यहाँ पे बुद्धिमानी से आपको काम करना है, किसी तरह अपनी होशियारी रखनी है. अच्छा याद रखिए, इंसर्जेंसी का इलाका है. इंसर्जेंसी मीन्स द प्लेसेस विच आर हैविंग द अदर काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु आर deliberately after army people. So you'll have to be careful. So here comes extreme presence of mind, intelligence, good reasoning, good bravery, good understanding. So what is he going to do? That immediately stand where he's lost the path, go back few steps where he began, if possible find the way back, because that is fresh in his memory. He can go back to the same place and next time from the same spot he can start verifying. This can be one of the way. There can be another way. Go back to his memory, identify which were the things which he had observed, locate them, find the way. You can write. In SRT, you cannot think that it is utter condition. देखिए, परिस्थितियां की परिकल्पना करने की पॉजिटिविटी आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए. So if you think something has become bad towards, right, it is wrong. आप गलत, हर छोटी सी गलती को बड़ा कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब आप में कमजोरी है. So इसलिए अपनी इमेजिनेशन को बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव मत ले जाइए, बट इसका ये तात्पर्य भी नहीं कि इमेजिनेशन को इतना पॉजिटिव रखे कि आपको समस्या ही ना दिखे. Do not take the imagination too negative that you cannot manage it, and do not take the imagination too positive that it seems there is no negativity. So you got to be careful, take the precaution. You have less ammunition, that means you cannot fire too many people and you cannot protect, so you got to be careful. And if you are having a rifle, now you become very evident, so go carefully, immediately find, use less of your ration, whatever you have in eating, so that you don't waste time. And in case you still your way systematically. Now परिकल्पना तो बहुत सारी चीजें हो गई, पर हम लिखेंगे क्या? लिखेंगे हम जो लाजमी है, that if I have lost the mass, I have fresh memory of the way I had come. So try to retrace my path back to the place I had started from. And from there, with the help of the other person who's there, get now proper idea of the route and go back safely. One way. Second can be that if I have already been traveling there, go back to my memory lanes, be sharp in observing, use my direction idea, and thereafter find the way and reach the place. लिख सकते हैं. तो दोनों उत्तर आप लिख सकते हैं. आप अपनी सोच को उतना ही रखें. अब हम बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव और बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करें. So you can write this. Is it clear? Now let's go down to the question number 5. He is going for a temporary duty and due to busy schedule, he could not get ready and not his railway warrant exchange and get ready. ना तो ready हो पाए, ना railway warrant exchange कर पाए. He's in office and we will be busy for an hour. He has just 2 hours before train leaves. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, एक व्यक्ति कई बार काम में व्यस्त हो जाता है. उसको काम पे भी जाना है. आप लोग अगर फौजी हैं, you are the serving personnel, you know that you have to get your railway warrant exchange, then you get the permission, so you have to spend some time there, give the details, the railway authorities change it to ticket and then give it to you. Am I right? So they keep a copy, they take your identifications, the method they do that, and all those things are kept at complete formalities. Now this requires certain time. One more thing is there, you have also not picked up your other things also, whatever it is. Now here comes resourceful thinking. Here comes when a man realizes that he has this problem. So because he is busy in the duty, he will call up his friend or tell somebody in the line to immediately pack up his things and also arrange the other systems. That includes that keep the things ready. And warrant also he'll keep ready, and thereafter as he gets free, he'll rush immediately, arrange a vehicle beforehand so that he can reach, and as soon as he gets free, he will rush to the railway station, get his warrants exchanged and go. यहाँ पे आपातकाल में दिमाग को ठंडा और स्वस्थ रखना है. आपके पास जो छिपे हुए साधन हैं, where you have hidden resources, like people are there in the line, somebody will be there, if not the langar person will be there, you can get your things ready by that person. And thereafter, tell him to get the things, and whereas arrange a vehicle. As soon as you finish, you can start the vehicle and thereafter go down, get your railway warrant exchange and travel. You can do that. Now there are some people who will think differently. They will immediately tell the officer, I will not do this work, let it be done and I will go. No, every task is possible if you keep your cool and if you work. So you should have this. Now this shows proactive planning. Proactive माने मैं ये करा लूँगा, ये करा लूँगा, ये कर लूँगा, तब तक ये हो जाएगा, तब तक मैं इधर काम कर लूँगा. Yes or no? We have so many times. So when we are able to imagine, we multiply our efficiency. हम लोग अपनी जो काबिलियत है उसको कई गुना कर लेते हैं. तो आपको सोचने की क्षमता देखी जा रही है, कृपया दिखाएं. Please show it. Now he is detailed regularly on LRP, and as his family has come to the station and are complaining and want him to give more time to them, he will. Now उसको हमेशा ड्यूटी एक्स्ट्रा दे दी जाती है, फैमिली आ रखी है, and they are asking for time. What will he do? Now here comes the understanding of the importance of duty and the importance of family. You know that your work is the basis of life and family support. अगर आप काम नहीं करेंगे तो क्या आप रोटी कमा पाएंगे, क्या अपने परिवार को सहयोग दे पाएंगे? तो ऐसी परिस्थिति में आपकी समझदारी ये चीज पे होती है कि आई विल कन्विंस माई फैमिली दैट होल्ड ऑन, let some other person come, then I will request, and also tell the officer that as soon as somebody else comes, then for few days he can be given relief, and in this he will manage his family needs and again come back to the other duties as well. मतलब कई बार होता है आपको एक्स्ट्रा ड्यूटी दी गई है पर परिवार भी वहाँ पे है तो आपको उधर भी समय देना है, तो आपको परिवार को प्राथमिकता से पहले समझाना चाहिए. You should explain the family. There are some people who are very welfare oriented and running away from duty. So if you are right oriented कि मेरा अधिकार है पर ड्यूटी नहीं करेंगे, I think you are on the wrong direction in your real life. Duty always comes first, right automatically follows later. अगर आप अच्छे कर्तव्य करते हैं तो आपको अधिकार मिल ही जाता है. तो अगर आप ड्यूटी करते रहेंगे, अपने परिवार को समझा देंगे, बाद में अफसर से रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. Is it clear? Okay. When he reaches the examination center, he finds that he forgot to get the stationery material. He will. अब examination center आप पहुंच गए, हो सकता है आपके जो day to day exams होते रहते हैं, and you land up and you don't have the material. What will you do? I will immediately. Now here come resource thinking, imagination, taking help. He will request other people, one person if he has extra pencil, somebody having extra pen, somebody scale, or request the invigilator and manage it. And in case he has few minutes, he will rush up to the nearby shop, buy it from there. तो आपकी जो परिकल्पना है, imagination to solve, रोने की नहीं, problems को solve करने की, the ability to still solve in emergency is what we want to see. We don't want you to sound crying. ये नहीं कि मैं because I have not arranged, I will tell the invigilator, I will give the exam later. No, no quitting. Imagine that you can still manage. Is it clear? So this is the answer which you have to give. It will be beneficial because it is the right attitude. मैंने बोला ना आपको भाव पकड़ना है कि मुझे जिम्मेदारी को, परिकल्पना को कितना सकारात्मक रखना है और मैनेजेबल रखना है. यस, इन सब जगहों में रिसोर्स जनरेशन, रिसोर्स क्या होते हैं, संसाधन क्या होते हैं, छिपे होते हैं. आपके दोस्त के पास एक एक्स्ट्रा पेन जरूर होगा, आपके अन्य के पास होगा, इन्विजिलेटर के पास. तो अगर आप इफ यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन दैट, यू हैव लेस इमेजिनिंग पावर, तो आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो आपकी इमेजिनेशन पावर अच्छी रहनी चाहिए. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द एबिलिटी टू इमेजिन टू सॉल्व इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, he is to travel in a train on a reserved seat. A passenger is not vacating the same seat he will. अब वो सीट में जाना है और किसी और को vacate नहीं कर रहा है, he is not vacating. So number one, he will identify what is the reason. If he has the reserved seat, he will find. If he has an emergency and he wants some help or he is not feeling well, तो थोड़ा बहुत compassion कर सकते हैं ना हम लोग, थोड़ा समझदारी, थोड़ा सा सहयोग देना. भाई नागरिक के साथ सहयोग करना आर्मी की पहले की आदत है, तो वी आर रेडी टू हेल्प नाउ, बट वी शुड हैव राइट रीजंस. सो वी विल फाइंड दैट द पर्सन हैज एन इमरजेंसी और समथिंग, देन शेयर द सीट विद हिम. बट इफ ही इज एन person who is negative, then in that matter go and report to the railway authority. Now here they want to see दो चीजें, एक आपकी काइंडनेस, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दूसरा आपकी एटीट्यूड की पता चला आप गुस्से में you get angry and you start throwing him. That is also wrong, because your authority as a soldier is very much there in the cantonment area, but it is not there in the railway areas. So there you will have to take the help of railway authority. So आपको रोल के बारे में क्लियर होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आप रोज कहीं ना कहीं लड़के आ जाए. You are not supposed to fight everywhere. For the sake of right also, you have to take the right path. So you can request the railway authority and sort. Is it clear? तो ये बातों को समझिए, लिखने के अंदाज बाद में आपको मिल जाएगा. We are going to help you a support system very soon. The other officers, when they join in together, we will give you all the best of support we can. Now coming down to the question number 9. While he is returning to his unit location in a motorbike, a speeding jeep hits it's mobile written here, from behind, and he was thrown off the bike on the side road. He will. अब वो बाइक को पीछे से उसने मार दिया तो वो गिर गया किनारे. तो now what will you do? Now you are knowing that this vehicle, now there are some people who will fight, some people who will gather their courage and come back. अब ये हो सकता है कि वो गाड़ी वहीं रुकी हो सकता है वो गाड़ी भाग गई। अगर गाड़ी रुकी है तो टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द पर्सन, अंडरस्टैंड इट इज एन एक्सीडेंट। नाउ देयर आर सम पीपल who in such accidents fight more than realizing their need of first aid. What has happened has happened. Now it is to solve. You can request the person on the car to immediately tell ki, okay, whatever has happened, please help in repair of the vehicle and also help me to reach, can be done. But suppose the car has gone away, then in that case you should have the courage to go ahead and reach the proper place, to the MI room or to the clinic or to the other place, and get proper first aid if it is required, and get their bike repaired later. That's it, so simple. बट नाउ व्हाई हैव वी गिवन यू दिस? क्योंकि आप लोग जब कभी साधारण सी परिस्थिति दी जाती है, आप उसको जबरदस्ती कॉम्प्लिकेट और जटिल बना देते। व्हेन वी गिव यू अ सिंपल सिचुएशन, यू ट्राई टू लुक एक्स्ट्रा हीरो एंड यू डू समथिंग रॉन्ग। डोंट डू दैट। वी आर लुकिंग फॉर कॉमन सेंस एंड लॉजिकल थिंग। रिमेंबर, आई रिपीट हियर दैट साइकोलॉजी इज अबाउट healthy thought process. It is not about negative thought process. So I hope you can understand that. Now coming down to question number 10. He was going to eat as he is very hungry that he hears that 2 7-ton has met with an accident nearby. 2 7-ton गाड़ी पुराने टाइम पे जैसे चलती थी. He will and finds, yes, ये दो सिचुएशन इन्होंने डाल दी है, गलती हुई है इन लोग से, पर चलिए आप एक एक करते हैं. लेट्स डू इट. तो हैज मेट विद एन एक्सीडेंट नियर बाय, ही विल. अब अगर 2 7-ton आपस में भिड़ गई हैं तो वो क्या करेगा? ही विल सर्टनली, अब वो खाना भी खा रहा है बट यहाँ पे आपातकाल है, देयर इज एन इमरजेंसी, सो योर फूड कैन वेट. If you are courageous, if you are a person with mental strength, but if you are not a person with mental strength, then you will first think of food, then of going down for the accident. But if you are a responsible person, you will immediately rush, help the people of the people who are injured in the 7-ton accident, rush them to my room, and after that come back and have your food. Am I right? You will do that. यही करोगे ना कि भाई अगर आप, पर अगर आप गैर जिम्मेदार हो और स्वार्थी किस्म के हो तो पहले बोलो मेरे को बोलो भूख लगी, पहले फटाफट खा लूं या 2 रोटी ले ले तो फिर चलता हूं. नहीं, जाना पड़ेगा, जाके करके आइए फिर खा लीजिए. आपका शरीर इतना रुक सकता है, माना बहुत भूखे. अच्छा, क्योंकि इसमें दूसरी सिचुएशन भी लिख दी गई है तो चलिए उसको भी सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. वो टेम्परेरी ड्यूटी में मिलिट्री व्हीकल में जा रहा है. व्हेन ही फील्स इल एंड फाइंड्स ही हैज फीवर, ही विल. अब अगर वो टेम्परेरी ड्यूटी में जा रहा है और तबीयत खराब है और उसको फीवर है तो क्या करे? देयर आर पीपल, अगेन ये भी मेंटल करेज पे है. दिस इज ऑल्सो टू चेक योर मेंटल करेज दैट यू विल take it. Okay, he has fever, so what? He will take a necessary medicine and go ahead. There are many people जो थोड़े से भी बीमार होते हैं. अच्छा देखिए, तुरंत हुआ है फीवर तो कोई बहुत बड़ी वीकनेस तो पहले से है नहीं. It's not been long. So they have mental courage. And there are some people who uses these illness, वो बीमारी का लाभ उठा के बहाना बनाता है, काम चोरी करता है. Yes or no? हम लोग की फौज में एक शब्द होता था मकराबाजी. मकराबाजी is a word which we use that they behave like crabs. They don't want to do things. Yes or no? So please carry on with your work. Work is more important. And as far as your health is concerned, you should take precaution. You should take the medicine. But go for the temporary duty. Be careful in the train as well as in the vehicle and make sure that you get well. In case while you reach there, you have more problems, you can report to the hospital. But why imagine? भाई अगर आपने दवा खा ली और थोड़ा फीवर आया, ठीक हो जाएगा. वैसे भी थोड़ी सी मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज करते तो सच फीवर्स गो अवे, एंड प्रॉपर डाइट, प्रॉपर मेडिसिन, सब ठीक हो जाता. तो आप में से जो लोग मानसिक रूप से मजबूत है वो इसको पॉजिटिवली सोचेंगे, और द पीपल हु आर मेंटली वीक विल थिंक नेगेटिवली. नाउ इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द काइंड ऑफ साइकोलॉजी you really have. You are excuse making, you will think differently. You are strong person, you will think differently. Now let's come down to question number 11. The station headquarters to arrange facilities for tree plantation and along with 6 soldiers he will. अब वो 6 soldiers के साथ उसको tree plantation करना है तो क्या करेगा? Now if your station is to arrange for tree, he will arrange properly, he will arrange the seeds, he will arrange the spade माने फावड़ा, गेती, whatever you call it, plow, yes or no? Arrange them, arrange the khurpi, in case that is also required, yes or no, which you dig the ground and thereafter make proper arrangements, get the tree and do it. Now what are they looking at? They are looking at solution finding. Suppose nobody did it before, nothing is ready, then arrange it. As I have told you, there are 2 type of people. Situation आती है तो कुछ बड़बड़ा के दूसरे पे चिल्लाने लगते हैं और कुछ प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं. So please be the solver, improve your attitude, I am sure you will sound better and confident. Now coming to question number 12, he is told to organize a variety entertainment show in his unit for Bada Khana celebration and to collect donation for Jawal's welfare. अब यहाँ पे उसको एक फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. बड़ा खाना में होता है, आप लोग ने देखा है, people have it that lot of arrangement, some function or something happens. यहाँ पे they want to see how well you are in thinking sequentially. Organize करते समय कितने क्रमबद्ध सोच लेते हैं. I will arrange this, I will arrange the creation area, I will make sure that we practice the skit properly, the singing, the debate, I mean the क्या बोलते वो लोग, the anchoring आपने की, everything you have arranged. So you will have to sequentially think. He will make a complete plan beforehand by which they will cover how they will receive the guests, the officers, and how they will make seating arrangement, the anchoring, the program, the different parts of the program including group song, drama, skit or any other show which they have. Practice it properly. Thereafter also the refreshments, what will be given, where people will be sitting, how people will be watching, and make a complete plan and make it success. ये आपका उत्तर होना चाहिए कि आपकी परिकल्पना क्रमबद्ध सोच ले और सब चीज को करके अंतिम में उसको सफल बना दे. That is what we are looking at. Okay, I am sure you must have done it. Air Force Day में भी बहुत सारे Air Force वाले यही करते हैं. Similarly in Navy also they have some functions they have to arrange. And when officers also arrange, you learn. When seniors also arrange, you learn. And if you are ready to learn and you have been learning, I am sure you will do very well. Is it clear? So go ahead with that. Now here he is very tired and desires to get good sleep. अभी वो सोना चाहता है, but then his JSU in charge wants him to go with other soldier for a patrol which is a few kilometers he will. यहाँ पे they are checking your mental courage, which is directly proportional, which directly affects your physical courage. अगर आप मन से मजबूत हैं तो आप शरीर से भी मजबूत है. कि माना कि आपको सोना लग रहा है, काफी थकान है, पर जेसीओ ने कहा है, politely step by step भी बोल सकते हैं, tell the JCO of the situation, request if he is sending, in case he doesn't, then go for the patrol duty, complete it and come back and take rest. Yes. So if you don't give up, if you have the extra mental stamina to do that extra duty, then we are very proud that you are fit person. You are ready to take every challenge and you will do very well. Next, we come down to question number 14. When he reaches the examination center, he finds that he forgot to get the stationery material. We have already done that, right? We have done that, so this has come as a repeat. Let's go further. He and his friends in the unit want to celebrate an occasion at the NCO JCO club, but the JCO in charge is against it. आप celebrate करना चाहते हो पर JCO जो है वो ready नहीं है, तो क्या करो? भाई देखिए, आप extra time जा रहे हैं. If you are in the right time, you can do it, but if the senior is saying no, then you will take it in a positive way. You will understand that the senior is having other reasons, so he will politely do the celebration next time. समझ रहे हैं क्यों? Why has this situation get you to identify? कहीं आप लोग छोटी छोटी चीजों पे बवाल तो नहीं काटते. Do you know the value of discipline? Do you understand that if your senior has said something, you have to accommodate, you have to think. There is no now and now only. ये अप्रोच नहीं चाहिए कि अब होगा, बल्कि समझदारी आगे के लिए. There is always a tomorrow for good things. So always remember, ये आप कर सकते हो. Got it? Now we come down to situation number 16. When he reached football ground for drill practice, he found a rifle magazine lying in the ground. अब आप वहां पहुंचे, किसी की राइफल मैगजीन छूट गई और आप गेम के लिए गए हैं. यस और नो? सो फॉर ड्रिल प्रैक्टिस, सॉरी, आप ड्रिल प्रैक्टिस के लिए गए और वहां पे आपने देखा ना दिस सीरियस प्रॉब्लम, किसी से केयरलेसनेस हुई है. सो इमीडिएटली कलेक्ट द मैगजीन and go and give it back to the quarter guard or to the people or to the authority to tell them so that they can trace who has lost the magazine. And next time make it sure that he is more careful. In case you are having the drill with your rifle and somebody's magazine has fallen down, identify there and give it back to him and tell him to be careful next time. Yes or no? भाई लापरवाही से काम नहीं चल सकता. अगर कल को आप आई कार्ड गुम कर दें, if you lose your rifle, you know what problem you will create for the whole unit and for everyone around. तो आप लोग को उस पर ध्यान रखना चाहिए. And that is what they want to see. Are you careful? Are you conscious? There are many people who are semi-unconscious in their attitude. वो हमेशा बेहोश से रहते हैं, अपनी चीज़ों को संभाल के नहीं रखते हैं, और इतने दिन सेवा करने के बाद, even after serving so much time in the armed forces, they are not able to organize properly. I want to go back to the memory lanes of my father. As I told you, he was a colonel who retired in 87 last, and 88 we had started this organization. So he was a man, whenever he used to go anywhere, he used to make a checklist. And in the checklist, he used to write everything and make check and then keep. Even though he was traveling normally to some relative or the other. कभी भी शहर के बाहर जाना है, कुछ सामान लेके जाना है, तो अपना एक चेकलिस्ट बनाते. ये उन्होंने हमें सिखाया भी था, ये उन्होंने अपनी फौज से सीखा था, क्योंकि वो भी एक किसी पुराने, हम लोग के दादाजी जमींदारी कर चुके थे, उसके प्रकार का रवैया था, तो फौज उनके लिए भी नहीं थी, पर उन्होंने वो चेकलिस्ट का सिस्टम सीखा और मुझे भी सिखाया. So the point is, if you don't have a system of checking yourself and you lose your I card or magazine, then it is carelessness. So you have to be careful. That is one thing which is very important. Now we come down to question number 17. He was appointed Langar commander. There is complaint about food. The dal and rice was often found having stones, as per complaint of the unit soldiers who come for eating evil. He is a Langar commander. Now there are two ways to do it. One is to punish a person and one is to mutually solve. Not that I don't agree that he should be careful. So he as a Langar commander will make sure that he himself stands. इसी को बोलते हैं, leadership is a sense of responsibility. Leadership is not this कि I will only command. You have to take interest in your job. So he will himself go there, make sure that the dal and the rice, there is no more stones, there is no other problem. Identify the problems of the soldiers and solve it. Make sure by supervision कि अच्छा बने. Or this kind of sense of responsibility makes you a person who is respected by all. But if you want to delay your duties, आप चाहते हो कि मैं बस बोल दूंगा और वो देखे, मैं कमांडर हूँ, लंगर कमांडर. अरे लंगर कमांडर एक ड्यूटी है. आपको याद है योर फील्ड मार्शल मानेक शॉ साहब, not only he was the field marshal and at that time the general, but he used to go down to the bunkers and talk to every soldier, take care of them. Now this connects the armed forces, makes it more efficient, makes it more connected, makes it more bonded. और जब भी कभी कोई व्यक्ति खुद दिलचस्पी लेता है अपने काम में, अपने साथियों में, तो बाद में बनती है एक टुकड़ी जो बनती है शान. So remember, that is very important. So you have to learn how to connect. Question number 18. On returning to barrack after coming from firing range, he found that his friend has brought live 20 rounds of insas. अब भाई कई बार बंदूक की गोली चलाने फायरिंग होती है, फायरिंग में आपको खाली खोखा देना होता है. कई बार कोई लापरवाही के तहत कोई किसी की बंदूक की गोली ले आए. This is wrong. This is an official crime. You have to count and give the empty things. Now you know that you have carried it, so he will have trouble. So you will convince your friend to return back, go. भाई गलती करना ठीक है, गलती को कबूल करके थोड़ी सजा लेना भी ठीक है, पर गलती को छिपा के गलती को बढ़ाना बहुत बड़ी गलती है. इट इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग्स, बिकॉज देन यू विल सफर मेजरली. A stitch in time saves 9. एक कहावत है कि सही समय पे एक सिलाई, छोटा सा सिलाई हो जाएगी तो 9 सिलाई करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. So if you really solve the problem right timely, you'll do better. So I hope you've understood this. So he will convince him, उसके साथ जाके return करेगा, make sure that the problem is sorted out, and if there is a small punishment, tell him to bear it and next time be careful. खत्म. Okay. His family members has fixed the marriage, but his commanding officer has detailed him for war exercise to be conducted at Corps headquarters. He will. अब यहाँ पे उसकी शादी तय हुई है, उधर war exercise में उसको चुका है. Now again I want to teach you duty and right. Duty comes first, right comes second. So if you are having a marriage, you can always say that, yes sir, just a second. That he will tell his family members that he has an important exercise. As soon as he finishes, he will come. He will request the other people to delay the marriage for some days. In case the corps commander gives him permission, then he will go. Otherwise, he will complete and then go. Is it? अगर बाई चांस अपनी बात बोलेगा, बोलना गलत नहीं है, पर उसके बाद उसमें झक मारना गलत है, उसको जिद करना गलत है. थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि आपके एक बड़ी संस्था है, शादी एक छोटी संस्था है, फौज एक बड़ी संस्था. शादी की संस्था में आप थोड़ा एक दो लोगों को मना सकते हो, फौज की संस्था को आप हड़बड़ा नहीं सकते. दूसरा, फौज की जो संस्था है वो आपका मूल रूप है. इट इज द बेस ऑफ योर एग्जिस्टेंस, बेस ऑफ योर ड्यूटी एंड बेस ऑफ योर एक्सीलेंस. इज इट क्लियर? सो ही विल टेल देम, जैसा मैंने बता दिया, आपको समझ में आ ही गया होगा. Okay, let's go for the question number 20. He is the duty NCO that night and late night fire breaks out due to short circuiting him. अब आप ड्यूटी ले रहे हो तो ड्यूटी माने जिम्मेदारी ले रहे हो. So you will have to be alert, and in case it is broken out, immediately rush to the spot. छोटी फायर है, कंट्रोल कर लेगा. ज़्यादा बड़ी है तो तुरंत बाकियों को अलर्ट करेगा. He will alert the other people, call the fire brigade, make the fire alarm. You know that everyone in the armed forces are ready for all such emergencies. Fire alarm chalayega, and then with the mutual effort, complete it. Is it clear? So now I hope you have understood all the 20 of them, and you have understood how we can help you. Yes, you can take the help of apps. We are going to make it more updated in times ahead, but do well and try to learn from this, and we will be giving you more detailed answers as well as solutions in the apps also. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.